Just bought this a wood chipper, and it came into this box. This is the whole unit with all the assemblies. Try to make a short video on this, put it together, let you know how it works. Gonna put the wheels on the back end. Very simple instructions on the wheels. Next is putting all four of these together to make it look like that. Right there. So this is the outcome. You have to kind of measure it from small to big. They don't really number it. So you just gotta pyramid it out, and then it goes on top of that, just like that. Next step is to put that whole unit on top of that case, and we're almost done. So an important tip, when I noticed that there was a hole right here, I was curious on what that was and what this is, and I realized there's some instructions here which is helpful, and it is for this right here. It's a safety mechanism for it to turn on and off when you want to put on the power. So that's a safety measure I like. So this unit just sits on the base pretty simply. There's no locking, no nothing. It's pretty heavy, so it just sits on there pretty tight. Got that going. Just gotta put this drawer in there and it's ready to go. And let's turn it on, see how it works. So I just read the manual, and there's 4 bolts to help it get screwed on. So I gotta go back to do that. One thing I'll admit is the instructions are pretty crappy, because as I noticed, these 2 were left behind, as well as this. Well, it does kind of say right here, but these long 2 ones are for these, obviously, and it doesn't say when to install those, but it's right there, as you can see. So that's what I'm assuming. Kind of got to use common sense, and you got to install this at the end. And the moment of truth. Got it all plugged in and ready to go. Make sure this is locked up. Press the green for 3 seconds, it says. 2, 3. Got this big old branch right here. Stick this in. Wow. I'm impressed. And there you go. The wood chipper. I like it.